building, baby. We are here on Robert Simmons' global ride. We're here on April 2nd on a beautiful Saturday morning. We're here at Wood Jr. in the building with Eagle. All right, we're gonna get to go. right, guys, we made it to our halfway point. We rode for a good almost 2 hours. It is from 10 to 12. And we're technically only 46 minutes away from here back to Pooler, but we took like the back roads. But, you know, then you got Wood going a little crazy over there as well. But it was a great ride, great weather. Nobody got lost. Me and Wood were the road captains. Took care of all the stuff. Very, very good. What can I say? Rob, you did an amazing job so far. Halfway point, everything's well. And let's keep up the good work. So here we got all the bikes. Man, this is a lot of bikes.
What's up, Sekou? All right, I'm one of you. What's up, brother? What's up?
Look at all these bikes right here. Doing good. What's up, guys? What a good turnout. Let me show you this bike right here. This is the CVO. Man, the colors on this looks amazing. Looks like he just got it with some Reinhardts. I've never seen this bike up close. I've always seen it through videos. But it looks good. Look at this new seat right here. A little suede action. Must feel good. I don't know. It's good. So here we go, guys. We're all gonna gas up, get something, a little snack, and then we're gonna continue back home. All right? This is nice bike. This guy got nice detailed right there. Looks good. Pretty cool. All chromed down.
Yeah, that's beautiful, isn't it? Wait, this is a CVO too then?
They're limited.
Oh, this is not a CVO? But it looks just like yours.
Yeah. It's the opposite
You got
color.
stage 4 on this? Wait a minute, these three look the same.
Yeah.
But it still says 117.
Good, man.
Oh, man, he's a sleeper.
Rob, is this your bike?
It still says 117. He got a 131.
That's a 131?
Stage 4.
Oh, you got a sleeper. Oh, wait.
Yeah,
I hear it snoring.
I don't let everybody know everything. You know?
Yeah.
I hear it snoring.
I'll edit it out. No. He said you hear it snoring.
Hey, Camilo, good job, man.
Thank you very much.
Very good job.
Thank you.
Not your first rodeo.
You did a phenomenal job so far.
And the what?
And a fellow New York.
Oh, and a fellow New Yorker.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. What's this like? Where's this from?
Huh? That's custom dynamics.
That's Custom Dynamics? Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. My
It's
fault.
okay.
I never saw that one.
Yeah, the trim ring.
Never saw that.
On the other bike, this one's called sequential.
Oh, really?
For whatever reason, it's not
Yeah, you did these too.
Yeah. Basically everything, I took everything off and
That's from Custom Dynamics too?
yeah, everything's custom dynamics.
It's all about custom dynamics. All about custom dynamics. Is that a dummy over there or electric?
No, is he
The electric one, right?
That's the fuel gauge.
I'm thinking about doing that for my rope kit.
Yeah. You bought it from Harley. You just plug and play. 2 wires.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
In other words, I'd love to hear. Plug and play.
Yeah.
What are these switches for?
One is for your positive light.
Okay.
One is auxiliary.
Oh, okay.
Wiring your phone charger.
That's what I got to do. I got to put a phone charger on mine. I mean, it's a practice bike. So.
I top mine is into the but I can take it. So plug up there.
Awesome.
The little things. The little things. See, man, the little things.
If you have been on there for a while, it's still going on.